These XMCOSY outdoor string lights have plenty of color, a ton of customization, and a few things I wasn't expecting. But after using them, I also found out they're probably better suited for one thing in particular: mood lighting. So let's take a look and see what they can actually do. Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab. Let's dominate the dark. All right, before we get started, I want to thank XMCOSY for sending these lights over for me to check out. They did provide the lights for this video, but as always, all opinions are my own. You got the front of the box here, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controllable, segmented control for each bulb. So that means you can do different colors per bulb in the app. DIY capable, you can create your own colors, your own effects. You can set schedules, and it syncs to music. These are shatterproof, but I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to just go around smashing things. So I would avoid doing that at all costs. Here's the back of the box: string light bulb, adapter, manual, and your product specifications. Don't forget to download the XMCOSY app to get all the full features and benefits of these string lights. Great shot of that warm white installed under a pergola. All right, let's get it open. All right, you got your quick start guide / user manual. It is Google Home and Apple compatible. And there's the QR code again to download the app. You got your quick setup guide. Basically just tells you how to hook it up to the app, how to pair it, and again with the QR codes. This thing comes with a whole mess of zip ties. And in case anybody was wondering, the bulbs are replaceable. Well, not the bulb part of it, but the LED part of it. Very cool. I haven't seen a string light yet or reviewed one yet that had replaceable LED. All right, here's your power adapter / control box, and obviously your string lights. And you just twist that off, pull this out, and that's how you replace the bulb. Make sure you match the colors up with the colors inside the fixture. All right, let's go ahead and get them installed. Installation itself is pretty straightforward, but there's something I want to point out about how I'm installing mine. For a permanent installation, XMCOSY recommends using stainless steel wire guide to support their lights. I'm not doing that here because this isn't going to be a permanent location. I'm installing them temporarily while I decide exactly where I want them to stay. So if you're planning on leaving yours up permanently, don't necessarily use my installation as an example of how they should be supported long term. Once they're installed and powered up, we can get into what these lights actually offer. One thing I like seeing on outdoor string lights is dedicated white light instead of relying entirely on RGB to create white. These use RGB CWIC lighting. That gives you adjustable white temperatures from a warm 2700 Kelvin all the way up to a cooler 6500 Kelvin. Brightness is also adjustable from 1 to 100%. That means you can use them for more than just decorative color. If you're sitting outside and actually need a usable light, you can switch over to white. Then when you want more atmosphere, you can go right back to color. In regards to color, you have access up to 16 million different colors. But the more useful feature for me is the ability to control individual bulbs. You can customize the color and brightness of each bulb and save your own lighting designs for later. There's also segment control. Instead of changing every bulb individually, you can divide the string into sections and control those sections separately. That gives you quite a bit of flexibility for holidays, parties, or just creating your own color pattern. Most of the customization happens through the XMCOSY app. From there, you can adjust colors and brightness, create your own designs, control segments, set schedules, group devices, and share controls with others. The lights also support Alexa and Google Home if you want to add voice control. I'm mainly interested in the app because that's where you're going to get access to more advanced lighting features. You also have built-in scenes and music synchronization. The scenes give you some quick options when you don't feel like building your own color pattern. Music Sync allows the lighting to react with the music, which I'll show you rather than spend a bunch of time trying to describe it. If you're finding this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here, and let me know what you think of the XMCOSY string lights down in the comments. I'll also have the product links in the description if you want to check out current pricing or learn more. And if you want to see more lighting scenes in music mode, stick around until the end. Since these are outdoor string lights, durability obviously matters. XMCOSY rates these IP65 for water resistance, and the bulbs are shatterproof. They're designed for outdoor areas like patios, porches, gardens, balconies, fences, and pergolas. That doesn't mean I'd intentionally abuse them, but they're designed to handle normal outdoor exposure to rain, sun, and snow. There are a few things I'd think about before buying. First is installation. If you're planning a permanent installation, take the time to properly support the lights. My installation is temporary, so I'll be finding a permanent location for these later. I'd also think about what you actually want from string lights. If all you want is basic warm white lighting for a patio, there are much simpler options available. Where these start making more sense is if you actually want a bunch of colors. Adjustable white temperatures, individual bulb control, segments, scenes, music sync, and smart controls. After using the XMCOSY string lights, my opinion really hasn't changed much. They're string lights, and they're not something that completely blows me away. One thing that did surprise me was the brightness. They're definitely not as bright as I expected. Whether using color or one of the white temperatures, I consider them more mood lighting than something you're going to use really to light up an outdoor area. But there is something I really like about the bulb design. Each bulb creates a concentrated hotspot of light on the ground underneath it, and honestly, it looks pretty cool, especially when you're running different colors across the string. So if you're looking for bright outdoor lighting, these probably aren't what you're looking for. But if your goal is adding some color and atmosphere to a patio, deck, or outdoor area, that's where I think these make the most sense. One thing I do want to mention before I show you music mode, there are only 3 music scenes, and they only flash one color at a time. With everything these lights can do with color, I was hoping for a little more here, so music mode is a bit disappointing. I'll have XMCOSY string lights linked in the description below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and as always, together, we can dominate the dark.